This week we're going to do DT and we're going to design, build, test and evaluate a boat. First we need to design a boat, and I have looked around my house to see what sort of things I could use to build a boat. Now I have chosen here a plastic bottle which I'm actually going to cut in half and put on its side like this, so that it can be the main body of the boat. And I'm not going to use the bottle cap, I'm actually going to use some tin foil to put around the end of it like this, and some sellotape to use to secure it on, so that hopefully no water goes in, because we don't want that, we want our boat to float. Now I'm using a plastic bottle because it's waterproof, and in my boat I want to have a flag, so I've got some straws and I've got some paper, and I'm going to stick one long straw touching the bottom of the boat all the way up high like this. Oops, sorry about my drawing, one-handed. I should be holding the paper with my other hand. And then I'm going to use the paper, I'm going to cut it into a triangular shape and secure it with some sellotape on here like this. But I don't think it's just going to stand up like that, so let me just draw the other side of the boat. So what we need to do is, I think I'm going to get some other straws and secure one to this side. I'm going to secure one to the other side like this. I'm probably going to put some tape here and here, just flap it over like this. And actually, to make it super strong, to make sure the flag stays up, I can put another straw along there. Okay, so hopefully when I put this into water it will float, and I'm going to try and put things into it to see how much it can hold. So I'm going to put things in here, I'm going to try and fit things into these spaces here as well. Now I need to label my boat, so this here is a plastic bottle, stick bottle, and I have my paper here that I've cut into a triangle. Got some sellotape to hold it on. I've got straw to hold it up, and I've actually got more straw here and here and here. So I've drawn 4 straws and I've used 4 straws. I've got some more sellotape here, and over here I've got the tin foil and some more sellotape. There we go. And there's the plan of my boat. Now we're going to think about how to evaluate the boat. We're going to think about what was good and what could be improved. Now, the first thing that I thought was good was that the boat was floating. So I'm going to write the boat was floating. The second thing that I thought was really good was that the boat was waterproof. And the third thing that I thought was really good was that the boat held lots of pens and pencils. What could be improved? One of the things I thought was I found it tricky to get the pens and pencils in. So I'm going to say I would like to find an easier way to get pens and pencils in. And I think that another thing that could be improved is my boat looked a little bit boring. I could have coloured my flag in, so I'm going to write to colour the flag.